He's eating. That's very good. And these are the guys. I don't know who they are. But they just brought this kitten to me from where? The Kotel?
No.
It was around there.
Okay, what's your name?
Matan.
This is Matan, who just brought this kitten. He's going to tell you how he rescued it. He can't look at the kitten because he's nauseous from the pus coming out of the kitten's eye. And we're going to deal with the eyes in a moment. Go ahead, don't look at it,
Yeah,
Matan. Just tell us what happened.
Yeah, so I was on my way to the yeshiva, Torah, and I saw a cat, like from a far distance, like a cute little cat, just standing in the middle of the road, and people were like passing by and didn't pay attention. I was like, that's not normal for like a small cat just to stand still.
Correct.
So I went to him and I just gave him some milk, and I just decided that like this is not normal for a small cat to be like that. So I knew Isaac that he saved the cat before, and so I went to him and I asked him for advice.
This is Niall.
Hi.
And he's my hero.
Shalom. Sometimes.
And he's helped me out with kittens.
Last 2 weeks, was it 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
About maybe 3 weeks, a month.
3 weeks ago, I was sitting down there, and a blind cat was sitting in the hole, and I couldn't know what to do. I called Tova. She's the hero, not me. She's the one who looks at the cat all the time in Jerusalem. She is very nice, and she healed my cat. I gave her something also as well from my heart to her. She's very kind.
Okay, and this is Niall's beautiful store.
Thank you.
Right?
I'm kosher from Texas.
On the edge of the Jewish quarter.
This is Sandy, my cat too. Tova always all the time feeds my cat. Say hi, Tova, Sandy.
This is the hole that the kitten was in. And he was curled up and sleeping.
Who's a good boy? What's got the goonie? What's got the goonie? What's
For animal lovers, this is
Get it. No.